Hi everybody, welcome to second grade. How exciting. As most of you know, I will be your teacher this year for second grade. It was so nice to see most of you and to see your parents during the drive-by pickup we had a few days ago. I'm really looking forward to working with you all. I'm so excited. I thought I would jump on here before Monday just to make sure that everything's clear, everybody's on the same page. I wanted to go over this learning checklist that I gave to your parents on just a few days ago on Tuesday. If you did not get one of these, I emailed it to you. If you don't know what I'm talking about and you've never seen this before, please do email me and I will make sure you get that before Monday. Okay? All right, so what is on here? Things that I need to make sure you know how to do. All right, so the first thing is every kid, every student at John Missou Academy this year has their own email address. They will be using that email address to log on to Google Classroom, to ask questions. If I need to get in touch with them, I'll email them. So it's really important that they know how to log into that email. So you just do gmail.com and then you put the first name dot last name at johnmissouacademy.com. That's the email. And the password is capital JMA Students 2020 exclamation point. All right. The second thing I need to make sure that you guys know how to access and use is our Google Classroom. So I put the link on here. I also am going to show you how the classroom looks. So when you get to the classroom, it's going to look like this. It's going to say 2020, 2021. What I want you to do is every day when you get on here, you're going to click at the top right here where it says classwork, and then you're going to click on virtual classroom, and then you're going to click on virtual classroom slides. It's Google Slides. So once you click on that, ta-da, this will come up and everything we have to do on that day or that week will be on here, and I'll specify on there, okay, this needs to be done today. You have the week to finish this. This is what we're doing this week. So right now when you get on there, you're going to have the important book right here, and that's the book we're going to be reading on the first day of school. I also have the Education Galaxy link, so all you have to do is click on it and it'll take you straight there. So let's start with the Education Galaxy. Alright, so when you get on my Google Classroom, which looks like this, you'll click on classwork, and then you'll click on virtual classroom. Once you click on virtual classroom, you can click on Education Galaxy right there, and boom, you just click on that link. And you should have your child's username and password if on this paper. Again, if you don't have it, please get with me and I will work with you on that. All right, so this is how it looks. So this is just another student in your class. So I'm just going to show you from the student portal how it looks when you log in. It's going to look like that. What you're going to do is this week we're going to start on taking our diagnostics tests. So you would click on My Diagnostics, and then you would click on Math, and then from there you would click on the pre-test, not the post-test. Post-test is what you take after. The pre-test is what you take before. So this is what we're working on this week, the week of the 31st, starting Monday. It's a long test. I don't expect you to finish it all in a day. Obviously, it's 50 questions. I want you just to try your best, maybe 5 questions a day, 10 questions a day, whatever you can do. I would probably recommend 5 questions a day. We're not going to finish it by Friday. We have 2 weeks to take that, okay? So don't worry about it. I'm just showing you how to get to it. Please don't stress out about anything now. It's too early for that. All right. So once we've done that, you may... so once you know how to log into that, that's Education Galaxy. Alright, the next thing is HMH. So I have the link up here just in case some kind of craziness happened with whatever, like Googling it or trying to get to it another way. So you click on the picture and then it has a link, and this is again another kit. Everything I'm showing you is how it looks from your end, not from the teacher's end. So once you click on the link, you're going to put in your username and your password. If it asks you for what district or whatever, the district is John Missou Academy for the Deaf. If you're having a hard time getting to this page, let me know. Again, email me on my Gmail account. and I will get back to you on that. So this is another kid in your class's login. I just logged in. I just want to show you how it looks. You have access to the first grade and the second grade. So the first grade is from last year. So make sure over here where it says select program, you press on the drop down and you select grade 2. So we have grade 2 reading, and then we have grade 2 writing. Okay, so you click on grade 2 reading, and then you click on assignments, and you look at what the assignments are that you may have. Now right now you don't have any assignments. These are from last year. If you look at the date, May 12th. So those are maybe things that were supposed to be completed last year. If you have anything like that was supposed to be completed last year, you never got to, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. If I were you, I just press start and then just like guess and put a whole bunch of X's or whatever, just so it's out of your way. Okay? Or you can just ignore it. Don't worry about it. Make sure you're looking at the date. Okay? All right, so your second grade year starts August 31st, 2020. So anything after August 31st, 2020 would be what you need to complete for the second grade. All right, so that's how you get to that. We're not doing any HMH this week, not yet. We'll start that next week, the week after, which is the week of the 7th, September 7th. Okay? All right. Anyway, let's see, what else do we have on here? Education Galaxy, HMH. Make sure that you can access the Remind app. I will be sending this link through the Remind app, so if you are having a hard time with that, let me know. I'll try my best. Remind is new to me, so please be patient. I'm trying my best. All right, Google Meet, that's a big one. Okay, so Google Meet. So as you guys have seen, your schedules I sent home during the drive-by, these are your schedules. I went ahead and I put every day, every morning, if you can, I'm going to emphasize, if you can, please, at 8:30, log on to Google Meet. So, Ms. Yusuf, how do I do that? All right, you go back to the Google Classroom, our Google Classroom, and over here it says the Meet link. Meet link, you would click on that. And there you go, and then you would click Join Now, and that's it. And then we'll all be on there and we can all discuss so every morning we're kind of just going to talk a little bit. We're going to discuss what you're going to do today. If you have any questions, if there's anything cool you want to share with me, it's just a moment for us to get on there and chat about the day and chat about what we're going to do today. And I might explain a few lessons. I might review what we did yesterday. So it's a 30-minute session just for us to, get everything together, okay? Make sure we're all on the same page. It's really important that we're communicating daily. All right, the next thing is GoMath. So for GoMath, I thought this was really cool. So I'm going to show you how to get there. So you go to the Google Classroom, and then you click on GoMath, which is right there, and it has the link. You click on the link, and boom. It should have, the country should be United States, Texas, and then the district is state-operated school. It's not Arlington. Okay, the school is Jean Massou Academy for the Deaf. I would remember my school so you don't have to keep putting that information in, and then put your username and password that I provided for you. If you don't have it, again, let me know. When you press login, you'll get things to do, my library, and my scores. Things to do is the assignments obviously haven't posted anything. Most of the time we are going to use the link My Library. Okay, so when you click on My Library, this will show up and it's going to say Math Concept Readers. We don't really use that. You're not going to click on that much. Math on the Spot, that's where you get the videos for the things that we're going to do if they don't understand it, or I highly recommend them, even if they do understand it, to watch them before doing the assignment. So we're starting obviously at Unit 1, Module 1, and then they would click on the section. So I would always tell you, okay guys, today we're doing Section 1.1. And there you go, there's Section 1.1, there's Professor Berger, and there's your lesson. So we're going to use that a lot. I'll usually post the link for that so you don't have to worry about that too much. But it's really important you know how to log in so you can access all of this. So again, My Library, something else, the Student Edition ebook. So again, we are doing everything online. I did provide you guys during the drive-by copies of the math. I didn't give you the entire math book, but I did rip out the pages that we will be working on for the next 3 weeks. So this week, the week of August 31st, we are going to be doing the first, just Unit 1. We're not really going to dive in too deep, just Unit 1. And I did provide you guys a copy of that. So if you want to do that on the paper and take a picture of it, send it to my email from your email, you can do that. Or you can try to do it online through here. You can do that as well. Okay, so that's that. I'll get more into detail and I'll get super specific when the time comes for you to do it. Right now I'm just trying to give you a go around of how we're doing things. I did provide you with the module and unit tests just in case. You know, I just provided you everything for 4 weeks in advance, just in case, okay? So this isn't anything, oh man, I have to start doing all the work now. Please don't do that. Please don't do that. Not until I tell you, okay, guys, we're doing this today. Please take it out, or, you know, however you prefer to do it, this is how we're doing it, okay? So right now, I don't want you to stress out. I just, you know, I want to get you guys excited about the school year. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be new. So I'm super excited about it. All right. So this is how you use the Go Math, and let's see, what else do we have? I think that was it for now. We're going to use BrainPop for social studies and science. We haven't got there yet, so, and we probably won't for the next 3 weeks. I just kind of want to give everybody a idea of how we're doing things, and kind of show you kind of get in the routine. It's going to be a little hard at first, but I'm sure we're going to get the hang of it eventually. I just need you to be as patient as you can with me, as I will be as patient as I can with you as well. So this is our Google Classroom, and again, I will update where it says classwork. I'll update our virtual classroom every day to where that's how you see what we have to do for the day. Okay, this is a really cool way for you guys just to kind of click around and see what we have to do. Let's see. So far the people that have joined our Google Classroom, and this is a shout out to, thank you. Gonzalez family, thank you so much. You guys have accepted my invite and are ready to go. Ramsey family, thank you so much. That's awesome. You guys are ready to go. And Tovar family, you guys are ready to go. So thank you so much for doing that. I really appreciate it. And I would really appreciate if you guys, you know, make sure that works and you're on and you've accepted my invite before Monday, because you need to get to the Google Classroom in my virtual stream, which is the virtual classroom, the stream online. You need to make sure that you know how to access that so things will just be easier for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Please email me at nyousef, YOUSEF, at johnmasu.com. Okay, that's my Gmail account, and we're going to be communicating closely through Gmail. Please, again, parents, students, if you have any questions, please feel free to, you know, send me an email. I respond within an hour, 2 hours max. I'll respond normally a lot quicker than that, but if I don't respond within 2 hours, then you know that something's really wrong, because I always do respond. So please, if you have any questions, let me know and I'll try my very best. I look forward to seeing you guys on Monday morning, and good luck. Bye, guys.